Howdy y'all. Welcome to the Hutchings Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you one of my most favorite hoop doers. My heavenly sweet heat deviled eggs with bacon, of course. Now I've got everything laid out, all the ingredients here, so we can make these up quick. They're very quick. I mean, I imagine most of y'all made deviled eggs. This is just my interpretation. Instead of pickle relish, we use candied jalapenos. These things are like, I just can't even tell you. Buc-ee's makes really good ones. That's a gas station. I've got these from Fredericksburg. I think you can find them in the grocery store. These things make all the difference in the world. So I've already minced up a whole bunch of them, got them ready to go. We got our little chunks of bacon for the topping. The sweet jalapenos, I got a shout out to my brother-in-law, John. He's the one that introduced us to these little beauties. We got some bacon wrapped shrimp, and you put a nice jalapeno in there with it. I tell you what, you can't eat enough of them. It's kind of like these eggs. Once you start, you just can't quit. By the way, that's why they're separated. My side, Aiden's side. Okay, without any further ado, we're going to get started on making these little beauties. So as I was saying, we got our egg yolks all kind of chopped up a little bit to make them mash in there a little better. Now, I don't know how y'all make deviled eggs. I just kind of created my own little thing. So I like a little mustard in them. A couple about 2 or 3 little circles there. I don't think you need a lot because there's the flavor for you. That's the part right there. And of course, you gotta have a little bit of Miracle Whip. Dab will do you. Yeah, maybe 2 dabs. You can always, if you feel like your mixture isn't quite creamy enough, you can always add a little bit more of that. Of course, the piece de resistance, and I like to get all that sweet candied sauce in there, so that adds to the flavor too. And then my other little secret ingredient, I put a little barbecue sauce. Now I can't lie, this isn't all my idea. Like I said, the candied jalapenos, my brother-in-law, he introduced me to them. And I've had some, and the bacon in the deviled eggs, there's a restaurant here in town that they take a chunk and put on top, but they don't put bacon in it, which I forgot. So, all right, I'm back. I forgot my bacon bits. So, any preference on them? I like the real bacon bits. Or if you want to get really crazy, since you're already cooking bacon for the chunks on top, you could chop it more and chop it up a little finer, but this works pretty good. Again, I don't know, dab will do you. Got a lot going on in there already, so probably don't need to get too crazy. So with that, we just start mixing up this delicious mixture. Look at that. Creamy goodness. Now, I kind of go overkill on the jalapenos because I like it. Makes some people don't like that much relish, I guess, in there, but them candy jalapenos, we just like our spiciness. Alright, so pretty good mixture there. And just fill them little babies up. I may have got a little heavy on the Mayo or Miracle Whip on these, but it'll be all right. Make sure you don't want to skimp anybody on their egg now. Get just the right amount in each one. Important for that full as my son says, ambrosia, little burst of ambrosia or something like that. Here's the thing, you know these are good. My son-in-law to be does not like deviled eggs, but he does like these. So I knew I was on the right mark with these. He's a spicy person. So, and these aren't terribly, I mean, they got a little kick to them. Those candied jalapenos, they got just a little bit of a, yeah, I got a little heavy on the mayo. So we got a lot of stuff. So these are gonna be good. Good and plenty. On that one. All right. So we got that all good. Now, my mom always used paprika on her eggs, but somewhere we got these rubs and spices and stuff. This sweet chipotle. I'm using this on a bunch of stuff, but this adds that extra just burst of flavor. I can't tell you enough how good it makes them. So I sprinkle a little of that on each one. Again, it's a little sweet heat, keeping with the theme. You gotta decide which side is mine and which side's Aiden's, which one's prettier. But all right, and last but not least, got your dab of bacon right there in the top. All right, there you go. Look at that tiny morsel of absolute heaven. Good. Doesn't get any better than that. All right. Well, I will add listings of all the different things of where you can get this and all what the ingredients are, and add it to my posts and stuff so you can get it all there yourself. Like I said, I must know most of you like making deviled eggs or know how. So no big secret, but my special ingredients. So with that, thank you all for joining in today. We'll see you again for whatever else I come up with. Love you.